Yes, good morning, dear students. I am Rajana, your English language teacher. Let's come to the continuity part of the lesson, the King Ministers. Okay? Yes, dear students. Before going to learn this continuity part of the lesson, we have to reveals on previous class because it is very important to moving or connecting to the continuity part of the lesson. Okay? Let's glance over on a previous class. Okay. Dear students, in previous class, I had stopped here. The camel was deeply moved by the loyalty shown by the three ministers. Yes, when the three ministers showed loyalty in front of the lion, and the time camel also ready to show the loyalty to the minister, to the king. Yes, the camel was deeply moved by the loyalty shown by the three ministers. He too thought it his duty to offer himself as food for the king. Yes, one by one, crow and fox and leopard shown to loyalty. Please hit me, please hit me, said one by one. After happened, the camel also ready to show his loyalty. He too thought it his duty to offer himself as food for the king. Yes, your majesty, he said. Who said? The camel said, these three ministers of yours, these three ministers of yours can be so useful to you, can be so useful to you. Therefore I pray that you hit me instead. Yes, instead of these three minister you have to hit me. Yes, hardly had the camel spoken these words when the three ministers get ready to pounce on him, but the lion stopped. Yes, when the camel said like this, the three ministers already thought themselves, yes, got ready to pounce on him, but the lion stopped. Yes, I had stopped here in the previous class. Let's come to the continue. Yes, the them immediately and said, yes, when the lion stopped these three animals, them immediately and said, you are all so true, you are all so true and faithful to me. I am deeply touched by your offers. Yes, the lion said to these three animals, you are all so true and faithful to me. I am deeply touched by your offers and I accept them all. I accept them all. What a react from the lion. Yes, you are all so true, you are all so true and faithful to me. I deeply touched by your offers. Yes, and I accept them, and I accept them all. Yes, I shall eat all of you. Wow, I shall eat all of you, but in the same order in which you offered yourselves. Yes, what you have offered to me, only in order which you offered yourselves. Yes, the ministers looked at each other. Yes, when the lion said like this, these three ministers looked at each other. What we do now? Yes, the lion king was ready to eat everyone, eat all of. Yes, the ministers looked at each other. There was no moment to lose. Yes, observe that lines, just lines. The ministers looked at each other. There was no moment to lose. Yes, there is no way to escape from the place. Yes, away flew the crow, away ran the fox, and away fled the leopard. Yes, dear students, these three ministers was escaped from the place. Yes, when the lion said like this, I accept them all, I accept them all, I shall eat all of you. I shall eat all of you. Crow, leopard, and fox, and also including camel. Yes, but in the same order in which you offered yourselves. Yes, the ministers looked at each other. Yes, the three ministers looked each other. There was no moment to lose. Away flew the crow. The crow started to flew in the sky. Away ran the fox. Fox also ran away from that place. And away fled the leopard. And leopard also far away from that place. Yes. The lion had a heart laugh. Yes. The lion had a hearty laugh. The lion laugh. He turned to the camel and said, when these three animals escaped from that place or away from that place, when the lion said to, I accepted all of you and accepted all of them and each all of you, you don't worry what you have offered you. I accept them all. I shall eat all of you. You don't worry, but in the same order in which you offered yourselves. Yes. These three animals escaped, ran away from that place. The lion had a hearty laugh. Yes, he turned to the camel and said, when these three ministers ran away from that place, and the time he turned to the camel and said, you have proved my most loving. Yes, you have proved my most loving and loyal friend, you. Yes, because dear students, here you have to observe when the problems comes to us, who's with us, only the real friends, not a fake friends, only the real friends, not a fake friends. Yes, here in this lesson or in this story we can learn from true friendship. What is the true friendship? Yes, the lion had a hot laugh. He turned to the camel and said, you have proved my most loving and loyal friend. Yes, here the camel is proved, real friendship. Yes, you have proved my most loving and loyal friend, you. Yes, the lion said to the camel. Yes, dear students, the king minister's lesson is over, and let's come to the grammar point. Okay. Yes, in previous class we had already learned simple past tense and past continuous tense. In this class, let's begins past perfect tense. Okay. Yes, ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ನಡೆದ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಲಿಸನ್. ಆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ನಡೆದ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ನಡೆದ ಘಟನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲಸ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಘಟನೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಈ ಹಿಂದೆಯೇ ಮುಗಿದಿರಬೇಕು. ಓವರ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ಈಗಿನ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಹೊಂದಿರಬಾರದು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಳ್ಳ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ. ಎಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, I, you, we, they used with only plural subject. He, she, it names. Yes, used with only singular subject. Yes, in past perfect tense, had takes if there is singular subject or if there is plural subject. We use only had. Yes, the main verb is what? Past participle in the form of past participle. Less. Okay, dear student, let's check the examples. Okay. Yes, past perfect tense. Yes, Sanju, listen. Sanju had completed her task. Sanju had completed her task before she left for home. Yes, Sanju already completed work before she left for home. And come to the second one in negative form. Sanju had not completed. Sanju had not completed her task before she left for home. Yes, in the first sentence positive statement, in the second sentence it is negative statements. And come to the third one, had Sanju completed her task before she left for home? Yes. And come to the fourth one, hadn't Sanju completed her task before she left for home? Yes. These four sentence used in a different manner, used in a different way. Positive statements, negative statement, yes or no types of statements. Yes. And come to the one more example for this past perfect tense. Yes. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಸ್ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಸ್, ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಸ್ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಸ್, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ದ ರೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ದ ರೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಮಳೆ ಧಾರಾಕಾರವಾಗಲು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದಾಗ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಮಳೆ ಧಾರಾಕಾರವಾಗಲು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದಾಗ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಟು ರೈನ್ ಹೆವಿಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಮಳೆ ಧಾರಾಕಾರವಾಗಲು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದಾಗ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಇನ್ past perfect tense, how it is used, look at it. I had left home when it began to rain heavily. Yes, ನಾನು ಮನೆ ತಲುಪಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಪರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಎಂದು. Yes, come to the third one example. When I got home I noticed that I had lost my wallet. Yes, when I got home I noticed that I had lost my wallet. ನಾನು ಮನೆ ತಲುಪಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಪರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಐ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಎಸ್, ರಾಧಾ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆಯ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ರಾಧಾ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. Radha had not spoken to her father about it. Yes, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರುವ ಮುಂಚೆಯೇ ರೋಗಿ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ. Yes, the patient had died. Yes, in this sentence, in past perfect tense, we have to use completed statements in first. Yes, okay. The patient had died before the doctor came. Yes, ನಾನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಸ್, ನಾನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದಿದ್ದೆ. ಐ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ವೆನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಐ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ವೆನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓವರ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಸ್ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಸ್, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ದ ರೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಮಳೆ ಧಾರಾಕಾರವಾಗಲು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದಾಗ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಟು ರೈನ್ ಹೆವಿಲಿ. ನಾನು ಮನೆ ತಲುಪಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಪರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಎಂದು. ಎಸ್, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಐ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್, dear students, you have understanding this class, king ministers and grammar point past perfect tense. In next class we will begin with another one. Okay, I will stop here. Okay, bye.